the latest reports and the information that we have received as of now, after all the investigations done, that these were a group of dacoits. This is the latest information. We are still digging and trying to find out more information, because obviously there were some ID cards and all found. So we want to ensure that all those aspects are eliminated, or options eliminated. But as of now, as I said, the information that we received, they are a group of dacoits. And as you know, that one of the people was there who was being kidnapped and was badly injured. And now we have caught most of the people who are involved in this, and very strict action is being taken. And we have increased the presence of the manpower out there, so that there is more security and safety for our people. And we will examine and re-examine the overall security issue out there to ensure that these kind of incidents don't happen in the future. As mentioned, from whatever preliminary reports and the investigations that we've conducted till date, it seems, as I said, to be a group of dacoits. And so therefore we don't expect that this is something that is kind of a organized kind of a crime, but individuals who are involved in dacoit process. But nonetheless, we cannot be complacent, and therefore we will take all the steps necessary to ensure the safety and security of our citizens in the boat. I have not spoken directly, but through the official channels, we have informed the IB as well as MHA regarding this incident and all the updates that have come in. And the IB and MHA is very much aware of this incident. Initial reports that I received, that there were about 7 to 8 of them is what we received in the initial parts. I could be incorrect because the latest reports are not with me, but as per the last reports that I got, and large number of them have been nabbed. I think maybe about 1 or 2 more are missing, and they're still in the hunt for them and searching for them. And the reports that I got from the local people, because I'm in touch with the local people directly also, and they were telling me that as far as the information they have, is that these people are actually completely lost also. So they went into the forest area and they couldn't find their way back. So they are somewhere in that area, and we have caught most of them. And I think whoever is left, 2 or 3 of them, whatever, they'll also be caught very soon. But as I said, I don't have the latest numbers with me, so I will definitely go with that caveat that my numbers may be wrong here and there a bit, but majority of them are now already enough. There is no such reports as of now. The incidents only happened in South West Khasi Hills, and there are no reports as of now in other